The Wuling E100 has been making significant strides in the electric vehicle market, particularly in urban settings where compact size and efficiency are paramount. This two-seater electric car, developed by the SAIC-GM-Wuling joint venture, has garnered attention for its affordability and practicality. In 2025, the Baojun E100, a variant of the Wuling E100, is set to enter the Vietnamese market as a domestically assembled vehicle. With an expected price tag of under 150 million VND, it aims to be the most budget-friendly car available, appealing to a wide range of consumers. The E100's compact dimensions, featuring a wheelbase of approximately 1.6 meters, make it ideal for navigating congested urban streets. Despite its size, it offers comfortable seating for 2 adults. The vehicle is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that provides a range of about 200 kilometers on a single charge, with a full recharge achievable in just 5 hours using a standard household power source. Additionally, the E100 boasts a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for both city commutes and short highway trips. The E100's journey began in 2017 when SAIC-GM-Wuling introduced it as their inaugural fully electric vehicle in China. Priced competitively, it quickly gained popularity among urban dwellers seeking an eco-friendly and cost-effective transportation solution. The initial model offered a range of up to 155 kilometers on a single charge, with the battery fully rechargeable in 7.5 hours. Its compact size, with a wheelbase of 1,600 mm and a height of 1,670 mm, allowed for easy maneuverability in tight city spaces. Safety features included anti-lock brakes with electronic brake force distribution, electric power steering, and electronic parking brake, parking sensors, and ISOFIX locks for child safety seats. The inclusion of a 7-inch infotainment screen and Wi-Fi connectivity ensured that drivers remained connected while on the move. The success of the E100 in China can be largely attributed to its alignment with urban transportation needs. In cities like Liuzhou, where narrow roads and limited parking are common challenges, the E100's compact design proved to be a perfect fit. Residents appreciated the vehicle's ability to navigate through dense traffic and park in minimal spaces. Moreover, the cost savings were significant. For instance, one resident reported spending approximately 150 yuan per month on charging, a fraction of what would be spent on fuel for a traditional vehicle. The E100's impact extended beyond individual users to influence urban planning and economic development. The city of Liuzhou experienced a surge in EV adoption, with electric vehicles comprising over half of all passenger vehicle sales. This shift was supported by the expansion of charging infrastructure, with over 21,000 charging stations installed throughout the city. The local government's policies, combined with SAIC-GM-Wuling's manufacturing presence, created a favorable environment for EV growth, offering a model that other cities are now looking to replicate. Looking ahead, SAIC-GM-Wuling has ambitious plans to expand its electric vehicle lineup. The company aims to sell 3.5 million new energy vehicles by 2025, focusing on developing core technologies such as solid-state batteries and high-performance electric drive systems. Plans are underway to mass-produce and install semi-solid-state batteries in vehicles by 2024, enhancing the performance and safety of their EV offerings. Additionally, the company is targeting international markets, with plans to launch 14 new smart EV models overseas by 2025. The Wuling E100's journey from its initial launch to its current status exemplifies the rapid evolution of electric vehicles in urban landscapes. Its blend of affordability, practicality, and technological advancement has not only met the needs of individual consumers but has also influenced broader urban mobility trends. As cities worldwide grapple with challenges like congestion and pollution, the E100 offers a compelling case study in how compact electric vehicles can drive meaningful change. In conclusion, the Wuling E100 stands as a testament to how innovative design and strategic planning can transform urban transportation. Its success in markets like China and its impending introduction to countries like Vietnam highlight a growing global recognition of the benefits that compact electric vehicles bring to modern cities. As we move further into the electric age, the E100 story serves as an inspiring example of progress and potential in sustainable urban mobility.